Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G14, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So firstly, remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. So open settings, find your storage, and as you can see I have used only 11% of my storage, so I have a lot of space to fill up, but if you have filled your internal storage over the 70-75%, I suggest you to clean up your storage, remove old apps, old photos and videos. You can move to the cloud storage or to the flash drive, to the hard drive, and in this way you will be able to keep your device in good condition. The next aspect is the RAM. And here on our Motorola device, if you will enter RAM in the search, as you can see in About Phone, we have 4 GB of RAM, and now at this moment we unfortunately can't do something with our RAM. We can't extend our RAM, and I really don't know why, because it's very good idea to extend RAM on devices with less temporary storage, less than 8 GB, and I think that it's very important sometimes just to remove applications from the RAM. To remove apps from the RAM, you just need to open the recent apps and swipe up applications from the RAM. It's very easy to do, as you can see, and that's it. So you just need to do it from time to time when you open the application, and when you will close it, just remove it from the RAM. In this way you will have every time free RAM, and your device will work faster. And of course, don't forget about the low battery mode, because in the low battery mode your device consuming less battery power and less processor performance, and if you will use less processor performance, your device will be slower. So don't use battery saving mode if you want to have your device in better condition. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!